Pacquiao's first shot at a professional title ended in heartbreak after suffering a majority decision loss to Rodelin Perez in their bout for the vacant Philippine Boxing Federation Lightweight Championship Sunday night in Muntinlupa. The son of 8th Division World Champion Manny Pacquiao entered the fight as the favorite, bringing an impressive record and an 8-fight winning streak into the championship match. Days before the bout, Bacosa Pacquiao expressed confidence in his preparation and said the title fight was a chance to test his growth as a boxer.
Excited po ako na magpakitang gilas bukas din. Tsaka super thankful ako kasi winelcome ako ng mga tao dito. Kasi first title fight ko rin to. Gusto ko rin makita yung improvements ko sa training tsaka sa mga resulta ng training ko. Yun. Gusto ko rin malaman kung hanggang saan na yung skills and boxing IQ ko. So yun.
The young Pacquiao started strong, controlling the early exchanges with clean shots. But Perez quickly turned the tide to take control of the fight in the succeeding rounds. At the weigh-in, Perez revealed their camp had studied Pacquiao closely in preparation for the championship match.
Siyempre po, binagkandahan po namin yan ng coach namin tsaka ng mga kasama ko sa gym. Pinag-aralan namin yung mga galawan ni Eman para may panalo yung laban.
Despite the 3 knockdowns, Bacosa Pacquiao fought back and continued to trade punches until the final bell. When the scorecards were read, Perez emerged victorious via majority decision. For the Philippine Boxing Federation, the bout was a major draw for local fans, who turned out to see one of the country's most promising young boxers in action.
Naging inspirasyon siya ng mga upcoming boxers na sana maging katulad din siya ni Eman. Hindi lang sa larangan ng boxing dahil naman natin na si Eman nasa showbiz na rin. So, another opportunity para kay Eman at nakikita ng mga boksingero na may iba palang mundo.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho, We are One News.